Congratulations, you got the promotion, but now you can't sleep at night. Morning call with the US, late night call with Singapore. Family trip, the laptop goes along. Targets go up, pressure never stops. Blood pressure rising, cholesterol climbing. Stress becomes your silent partner. I too faced cholesterol and mild depression. What brought me back was yoga, pranayama, and mindfulness. Now I share this simple, proven system for busy professionals like you. Just 2 minutes between meetings, 5 minutes in the traffic, and 10 minutes at home. That's all it takes to handle any boss, any target with calm confidence. Join Executive Wellness Webinar only 999. Feel calmer in 21 days or your money back. The choice is yours. Stressed manager or calm leader. Click the link below.